Let's be honest, we love our children, but parenting can be hard. It's the most challenging and most important job we'll ever have. It's a journey filled with joy, challenges, and countless questions. Most importantly, we have one chance to get it right. With Parenting Matters, you don't have to do it alone. We meet parents where they are and provide support every step of the way. We answer tough questions and help navigate raising children in today's complex world. Whether it's our early learning musical motion class, our in-home parent partner program, or Chosen Families, a holistic program for adoption support, parents receive customized skills and activities that empower them to be the best they can be for their children. Parenting Matters serves more than 4,000 parents and children annually. That's lives impacted, futures made brighter, and families that are stronger than ever. We create a ripple effect of positive change that transcends generations. Join us to shape the future and build a world where every child can thrive.